The 2024 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Bison is finally going to be making its debut later this month, and already we have a little bit of information on the design, the powertrain, and the pricing. So let's get right into that. So like I said, this is a little bit of the off-road style trim. In terms of the powertrain, we expect a 2.7 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder to be making its return there. It's supposed to be good for about 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. And obviously this isn't the Ford Ranger Raptor, but again, it's a very capable engine. It's definitely proven. And some of the things that are added to the capabilities: new suspension components, 35-inch tires, some things like that are definitely gonna make this a little bit more prepared for the going off the beaten path, going off-road. You have some tow hooks at the front as well. We're gonna see some mild stylings as well, red accents on the grille, some mild styling updates for sure, reinforced underbody protection, and some changes to the rear bumper are also some of the notable stuff that we're going to be seeing updated for the 2024 year. So let's say, some updates to the front end, a little bit of some line updates, a little bit of modernization there. You could call it a facelift. So again, exciting stuff there. It's currently only available in crew cab configuration, and the entry-level work truck model is available from $30,000 MSRP US with the 237 horsepower version. And the current range, we have the ZR2 forward-wheel drive with an MSRP of about $48,000. So we can expect it to just be, around there, most likely 49, 51, 52. But again, exciting stuff from Chevy for one of its marquee pickup truck models.